So all the footage on the GoPro just actually got deleted by accident. I don't know, it's a SD card error. So I took the SD card out, and when I put it back in, everything got deleted. Like I started the video like 9 this morning. I filmed so much, and I guess stuff happened, so I don't know. So I guess I just have to film now. But right now we're going to the place where in Ecuador where they bring the prisoner out here to build this wall. They built this wall to help prevent from the volcano. I guess that's what I think. I based on the research. But yeah. So right now we did a 5-kilometer bike ride up here. Yeah, it was like it was nice the first 2 kilometers, but then the last 3 kilometers were just up hills, and we left like right now it's like noon, so the heat is crazy, extremely hot. But yeah, we have like 15 more minutes hiking up the mountain. So there's like, I think there's on top like the top view. So yeah, I'm excited, but I'm not excited for the hike part. So look at this. You can't really see how steep it is, but boy, it is super steep. But yeah, maybe I can film a little bit later of the bike ride just to make up the footage that I lost. But I'm so bummed that it happened, but gotta stay positive. So enjoy the hike. See you on the top. So we still got a little bit to go, but I'm gonna eat my sandwich and just hang out for a little bit because I am dying. The heat is crazy. If you're gonna ever do this, do it in the morning or do it in the later afternoon, like 3, because it's so hot. But I am having avocado, onions and tomatoes for lunch. So good. I made it this morning. Wow. Look at this. Wow. Isn't that crazy? Still got to go to that part right there. Takes about 10 more minutes hiking. Not terrible, as long as we don't have to climb too many steps. But yeah. At least on the way down, later it's gonna be downhills. We did all the hard work, and it's gonna be much more nicer later when we get down, probably. What time is it right now? Oh my god. Of course, that's why we're dying. I'm gonna enjoy this, and we'll continue walking up there, get some drone footage. Hopefully the wind is not too bad. Oh yeah. I don't know, guys. It's amazing, beautiful. Like, it feels like incredibly amazing up here. Like, you gotta come here. Like, it's hopefully the wind is not too bad. But this morning I woke up, we went out, ran a bike for the whole day. Ride up here, it's about 5-kilometer bike ride, and like you can see the whole entire Isabela city from here, and the beach, and The wind is just incredible. It's amazing. It's so peaceful. Like, I had lunch up here, just hanging out. I'm gonna ride a bike down later to go to the beach. But yeah, tomorrow I got a day fair ride. I know, a day boat trip to go snorkeling to a few places, maybe see some penguins. But yeah, I'm excited for today and tomorrow. And then Thursday I will go back to Santa Cruz, hanging out there for a day, and then I go back to the mainland of Ecuador. And yeah, I'm not sure what's the plan afterward, but I'm looking forward for the next 2 days. It's gonna be amazing. You guys gonna be with me the whole time, and you get to see it all. But yeah, hopefully it's gonna be an amazing time. It gotta be. Worth of a hike. Wow. Wow. Look like we have made it. Woo. The air, like, it's so worth of a hike. Look at that. I'm gonna get the drone up. Hopefully it's not too windy though.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky.
So right now we are going back down, hike back down, ride 5 kilometers back, but yeah, it was worth of a hike, worth of a bike ride. I love the bike ride, and it was a good exercise, and this view you can't complain. And yeah, so we're gonna go down, get a coconut, maybe some ice cream, and then go to the beach or something. But yeah. She excited for the coconut. Me too. My water is so warm. But yeah, so hopefully my battery don't die. It's at 30%, so finger crossed. But yeah, see you on the road.
We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.
Quick update. My man Roadblock. Just hanging out on the middle of the road. Continue to ride. And we have made it to the little beach on the way here. Check this out. It's literally in the middle of nowhere. Oh my god, it's amazing. Woo. Yeah. Let's go. Wow. Like, look at this. Look how clear the water is. Yeah. Woo. Oh, I need to wash my face. Oh, that feels so good. It's incredibly nice. Check that out. Wow, wow, wow. I'm ready to go in for a dip. Yeah. That felt good. Oh man, it's amazing. So right now, earlier my battery just died, so I just came home, grabbed a new battery, and we have like 40 minutes left on the bike rental. So we're gonna quickly go down here, see the seal, and yeah. Go see the seal and then return the bike. Hopefully I can get some cool footage before the sun go down. But man, earlier we went to the one beach. It was so nice, but right when I was like recording, I was gonna take it out further, but then the battery went completely dead and I didn't bring an extra one, and I was like, shoot. But yeah, so I came home, grabbed the battery, and now we are back at it, baby. We back and we better. Woo. Look at this guy, wow. Wow. Oh, the boys just sleeping by the dock. It's so funny. They all just chilling. Look, this guy's like laying on the bench. We're just gonna be here for just a little bit because we have to return the bike in like 30 minutes, maybe 20 minutes. So we gotta quickly get back, just hang out for a little bit and get back there, yeah, to return the bike. And I think that will be it for me for today because it's a lot of hiking, a lot of walking today, and I'm still bummed that the morning footage got like destroyed, but yeah. Wow, look at this. So cool. But yeah, if there's nothing left for today, I'll probably end the vlog for today. So if you guys like today's video, make sure to hit the like button, smash the subscribe for more future videos, and leave some comments. Let me know what you think about the video, what I should do to get better, because I'm still learning. But yeah, thank you for today's adventure, guys. So see you tomorrow.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for me.